big board, steal whatever resource we can.
Yeah, because we're going to get
the Russians need ammo as well.
Well, we need an ammo crate,
so we bring
a
them
medic
with us
crate,
now.
or do we take one from here?
We bring them with us now. Give them corrections.
We'll take one and give it to them.
Yes.
They know where it is.
No, we're going to sell them there, I'm sure.
They like their plot.
We're going to sell them there. Is this Russian dump or just...
We want a good start, so you will. This is good, but yeah, we need ammo and
This is the
weapons off them. And, so
Because we say, look, we bring you ammo. We have some.
We see if we can sell them
And
their own
weapon?
shit.
Yeah.
If we're taking water, would that be first? Might be better with
Is that a full jerry can? It's full.
Okay.
No. Empty.
Take one of each. Fuel and ammo.
Yeah.
I'll be really happy with this then.
We want to get ammo off it, so if we come with ammo, it's more than good.
Let's get some ammo. Yeah?
I think we nick it on the way back. Take some walk down to them, see if we can get us dinner and then nick as much
What, and then sell it to the Americans?
Yeah. Do walk down, take a look at it.
Do not know who this is. We take ammo and they're like, that's it or ammo? And then we're like, that's it. That happened last night. They ran away from me and I was like, no, come back.
The gouge has to be rescued, hasn't it?
Where is that guy now?
Limping around.
He has worked for Russians. We are here to make deal.
You'll make deal.
Are you boss?
I'll make deal.
Boss man.
We also have BBC film crew.
An
BBC.
American. We like Big Macs. For a long time we fight the Russians. Yeah. Kick your ass. We're like yak. We're like the jackal. What? But your balls and then you like not like Afghanistan. But a few months ago, Americans they shoot at us and they wound and kill many of our friends. And I've brought some people with me. And it's not South African. We want to work for the Russians. We work for you, but we need armaments. And my warriors need bullets. We have water to trade.
Sounds good. Maybe we can give 30 rounds each.
30 rounds each?
Yeah.
For everyone?
Oh.
But our weapons. I only have that. Good for cutting up chicken.
We have a sniper rifle. So we can give you.
Bloody has come out here.
You're not Russian, you're just asshole!
No, you've just been living in caves.
He's from First War!
You went, fuck this shit, I'm sitting in my cave.
I got lost again. I don't know where I am.
He's from First War!
Yeah, so you can give 30 rounds per man for your help. I don't know how that works. We have tokens somewhere. Gash has the tokens. Don't ask me where Gash is actually.
But at least.
I have no rounds.
We haven't got many rounds.
Grenades. We'll have grenades as well. Throw it infidels.
But if we have one of your faithful days, food with dinner in and we can do it that way.
magazine, good thing.
And a rifle?
No, not yet.
Just a minute. There's many boom in it.
Let me think. I've got very little sleep there. Yeah, as I said, do you have access to the facility?
Yeah, we have one coming.
They, I know.
It's not big.
It's
no
not
good.
good.
It's tame.
It's good, yes.
It's no good. Send back.
Have you seen any safes?
Is it number 2?
It might be number 2.
Mujahideen get a little bit overexcited. Back to our camp. The whole Russian room. Alright. So it's been cut out again.
Okay, that might be the one we're looking for. Okay, that's good. Do you know whereabouts?
Josh mentioned something about a container.
Okay, that's good. I would say we'd be back here at a certain time and we could meet you again.
No, we're on your side now. We'll join you.
Okay.
Yeah, everyone happy with that?
Yeah.
The bullets? Yeah. For bullets?
Bullets,
Yeah. With bullets, they go kill Americans. Okay.
Good. Right. We were going to ambush an American patrol somewhere. If you have any idea where the patrols might be, that would be really good.
Shall we go?
Yes, we'll go.
Let us go. Is this your camp?
No.
Very small camp.
Where's camp? We take water to camp.
Not even 10.
It must be that
Leave
way.
the water behind the pipe. We'll come back.
No, let's go to your camp. Let's have tea at your camp. Let's go to the camp. We are not in the camp. But we have not been to camp. We do not know where to come to go to camp. Not there? No. Then why leave water there? Look, in the country communications needs to be improved.
Drop the water, then we'll go and find the other Russians and they can give you the ammunition.
Where might be a camp?
Where is camp? No, let's go to camp now. Have a nice sit down, bit of goat's milk, bit of yak's blood mixed in.
Why you're not taking us to camp? You're not trusted?
Take you to the other Russians. We
Okay.
have a lovely camp wherever the other Russians are.
Take us to camp. Take us to camp now.
I'll take you to the other camp.
Silly. No, we know you shoot at us. We shoot at you. You're like big yak. We are
my friend,
jackals,
you know the Americans
But
want
now American bear stomping around like he owns place. He shoots some of our friends, and we're like, bet the devil you know, eh?
You know the Americans want to destroy the oil complex, and that's Afghani property. It's not We're here to protect it.
We bring BBC film crew. Picture, papers. Salam. About 5 Americans all the time, but no one of us is called Salam.
I pay for it. I pay for it.
They say it all the time.
With his stuff.
Prepare for Salam, and it's like,
Magazine?
it's very strange.
Well, we're hoping
I don't steal it, I get given.
if you guys,
The change will actually give me.
if your men could maybe locate them for us and bring them this way, that'd be fantastic.
Men? Yes.
They're warriors.
Right. What we do is we walk towards Americans, and we say, we find stuff, you come with us, and then you ambush, yes? Then we plunder. Then we plunder. Plunder.
And one of our colleagues left behind some private documents when he was last in charge of assisting Afghan nationals at the compound. We'd pay handsomely for the contents of that safe.
How handsome?
I've got a couple of brand new sniper rifles.
I know name. Vanya.
Vanya, yeah, Vanya left a diary in one of the safes.
I know, yeah. Last night, with a goat, yeah. Mistress not find out. She not find out, yeah.
If you could bring us Vanya's code book and diary, I'm sure our Soviet brothers would pay you handsomely. We would give you the arms and equipment needed to overthrow the Yankee imperialist aggressors.
We want documents.
We will help you build schools and hospitals.
And
You did that last time, then blew them up again.
We'll let you grow up in heroin, okay?
It wasn't good enough. Listen.
Not good enough.
Okay.
Shoddy.
For me.
All the poppy fields you can look at.
Right, so do you want to ambush?
We want to ambush the Americans, but we don't mind waiting for them. But if you know where they are, that would help.
We know where their outposts are. They have 2 outposts. They are literally like half a mile from our camp.
At the moment, I need to know what they're carrying in their supplies. The best way to do that is to take their supplies. When we find out what it is, you can have first look at whatever we take off.
You are aware of Hamilton? Behind your
Because we
position?
built them schools and hospitals.
Literally, if you go the long road that way, and it kind of turns up right uphill. On the left-hand side, this old deserted building.
Okay, maybe that's where they're taking things. Maybe it's ammunition supplies.
There was big boxes with American stars and
Well, my friend, I think they may well be coming this way by the sound of things.
let's go greet, shall we? Let's go
Let's
greet
say hello.
Americans.
Yeah.
Let's go greet Americans.